So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another stream. So in this stream, we are going to analyze gold, BTC, Nifty, and crude oil. And if you want me to analyze any particular stocks, you can write in the chat box. We'll analyze the same stock and we'll analyze indexes, Nifty, Bank Nifty. And if you have any doubts, you can write in the chat box. I will try to answer your doubts. And let's start. I think my voice is clear right now. Yeah. So you are seeing crude oil futures chart on the screen. हाँ चाय पिया तू पिया So if you look at gold, gold is trading around 3369. अभी आ रहा अभी आ रहा मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ लैपटॉप में आ रहा मेरे साउंड तो आ रहा ओके If you look at 4-hour chart, so gold is currently trading around 3334, and there is a breakout of this trend line done, and after this retest the market started falling. So we can plan here short once this green candle low breaks, because there is also an order block, so we can expect the both long and short. So we have to wait for this green candle low to break out so that we can plan for short run. The market started falling. And if you go to lower time frame, see there is an proper breakout and retest has been done, and we need to wait little so that this low breaks, then we will see a big fall in gold. Okay, this is the weak low. So if this low breaks, then definitely we will see a big fall in gold. Let this low breaks. And we cannot expect the fall until this low breaks, because it might reverse from anywhere, as there are many order blocks over here. So we should wait for this low to break. And in BTC, if you look at this break of structure has done, and after this breakout of this retest also, we are seeing a fall. And if we keep SL below this trade could easily captured with 1:2 RR. So this low has been broken, and with proper retest it has been falling, and we can expect target till here, because this zone is kind of in resistance turns to support. So most probably from here we can see some kind of consolidation. Okay? This is a free fall, so if we capture this, it will be enough. And if you look at crude oil also, almost half of the target achieved. If you look at gold currently trading in a range bound after this trend line breakout in short side, it has to break the previous low of this green candle so that we can plan for short. Until that, there is a possibility of reversal and continuation. In high time frame, we will get this because there is an order block. So we can see the reversal from this zone or this breakout of this trend line also. There is a two possibilities. So we have to wait until this low breaks so that we can plan for short. And if we see a kind of a double bottom, then we can confirm that this order block has been working out. Okay, so if there is a double bottom, we can plan for long. Until that confirmation, we need to wait with patience. And BTC, if you look in 5-minute chart, the proper selling is seen because of this low. This low has been broken, and after this proper retest, the BTC started falling. So we can expect till this 1,118,400. You can keep a sell above this candle, red candle, and once the half target achieves, we can trail our sell to cost so that we will not give any losses in this trade. So if you mark this, so almost at 118,540, our 50% target will be achieved. And once this chart target achieves, we will trail our sell to cost. If it reverse from this 50% of the target, we are not going to give our sell, we will exit with cost to cost. And if you see crude oil, exactly after this change of character, after when this high breaks, the crude oil starts to moving upside. So this was a perfect entry at this level. And this trade is 1:3 RR. Sorry, 1:3. And now you can trail your SL from SL to cost. So almost this TP can hit at 5757 because this zone, this red zone is an order block for sellers. Okay, so we cannot hold above this because there might be anytime reversal from this zone. Okay, this zone is called as order block zone. This is a big seller zone. When market reaches to this level, obviously we will see a selling in the market. Okay, that's why somewhere this level we are going to exit if this continues. And in BTC, our target is almost this 50% target achieved. So we can trail our sell to cost. So this is 15 minutes chart in crude oil. And whenever you see the big fall in the market, and when you see the reversal, you should wait for the market to reverse at this 0.5 level. And when you see any reversal candle at 0.5 level, you can directly go for short. Okay, you can short at this level. Okay, here easily you will get 1:3, 1:4, more than that also. So if you shorted at this reversal candle in 15 minutes, definitely you would have got very excellent target 1:5. Okay. So don't expect that 1:5 every time. You can exit with 1:3, 1:4, depends upon the condition and the market volatility. There is no momentum in gold, so it is currently in the range bound. So we need to wait in gold to get proper volume and proper momentum. Okay, if you see these candles of 15 minutes, just only wicks. This is an choppy market, so we should avoid this kind of market. So if you look at crude oil, continuously the market is started moving upside, and we can see a little rejection over this zone, and once this rejection once it breaks this rejection from this, we can expect this target. And now we can trial our SL2 cost, so that if it reverses immediately, will not be having any losses over here. Okay, now if you look at in US spec, okay, this low has been broken and proper candle closing, as you can see here. Now what we need to do, we need to mark this high lows 50%. Okay, so if I mark this high lows 50%, okay, this would be our entry. So my ideal entry would be this level, and my SL above this 0.6 level, and my target this complete gap up. So if I remove this mark, see. I hope you understood the logic behind this trade. Okay, still this trade have not executed, but I'm saying the logic. Yesterday the market closed over 23,295 in US tech, and Sunday it was off. Monday today it opened with a huge gap up. Okay, even though market tried to move upside, again the sellers dominated and broke today's low, right? And proper, this is the proper breaking of this low, and now it will retrace until 50% of this selling. Okay, now everybody whoever sold here will obviously book the profits, right? And also you can plan here a small long entry with a small SL. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. There must be a retracement after this falling, because the market will not directly fall for a long term. It will take kind of a retracement. Okay, so this would be our retracement, and once this retracement completes, it will fall again to this gap fill up. Okay, what a spike in crude oil. Okay, nice. So almost in crude oil we are seeing the target almost. As I said, we can exit somewhere here because this is the seller's zone. So almost our target achieved.
Okay, if you look at the crude oil, what a spike. This order block has been failed, so we can exit from this trade. Okay, if you see the gold, there is no setup in gold. Continuously, the gold is in sideways, or we can say range bound. So there is no use of trading on gold as of now. So we got a proper trading in crude oil, and look at the spike it has given at the last momentum. So yeah, this was a proper trade, and in BTC our SL hit small SL. We shorted at this, okay, and our SL hit. No issue, it was a small SL compared to that our crude oil target. And I have told that this zone is looking something spicy. Okay, from this zone only our SL got hit with proper upside momentum, because if you consider this as an order block, then definitely a proper big momentum has been captured. Okay, see these candles will be our order block for this buying. Okay, that is why we are seeing a big buying from this level. So focus on learning the smart money concept, order blocks, fair value gaps, then you can be safe from this kind of traps. So this is a seller's zone. Okay, we cannot take risk in this zone because market might reverse at any time. Okay, so whenever your target hits, you can exit from the trade. Don't expect that it might break this level. Also, we can have more profit in this trade, but it might break, it might not break, but we should exit at our proper targets. Okay, so this was an excellent trade with 1:3 RR. Okay, this was an 1:3 RR. If you exit somewhere here, it's no issues, but holding, you can trail here, but don't hold this. Okay, you can, once this candle closes, if the candle closes above this previous candle's high, then you can trail your trade to this candle's low, and you can at least trail from this 1:2.5. Okay, if you want to take more risk, you can trail here. At least 2.5 would be yours. Okay, if you trail here, and if it continues, you will having more profit, and if it reverse also, you will exit with 2.5 RR. But as for me, I think this should be a proper exit because of this seller zone. So we cannot expect to break this zone and have more profits. Okay, better to exit at this level so that our proper target will be achieved. Okay, so that's it for today. And in this session, we did two trades, one in crude oil and another in BTC. So BTC or trailing SL hit, and in crude oil, you can see the proper good momentum in BTC we captured. And I hope you enjoyed this stream. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this stream and share with your friends who are interested to learn this. Okay, thank you so much for watching.